Okay, it's ready. So I'm going to oil it now, give it one coat of oil. That way I can get all the inside edges. Try not to oil too much here because I need the silicone to stick. So I just try to do the edges. And I'll probably give the back one coat of oil. And then I need to figure out how I'm going to hang it. So I might think about that overnight and maybe do that next and then give it the final coat of oil and then put everything in. So that's what the plan is. So let's start oiling it. It should start really looking great because it should all the colors will start coming out. Got a good mixture of wood in here, some cherry, red oak, looks like a soft maple, butternut, red oak, probably butternut, soft maple, cucumber, hard maple with curly, that should really pop, some white ash, more red oak. Here's some black walnut, that's spaltic, more black walnut, and here we have a piece of elm. So we have a real variety of woods in here. It's going to look really good, I think. See how it comes together.